Hi guys, greetings everyone and welcome back to Authentic Media. So a quick one right here, citing the fast approaching date of the EFSANE token distribution, which is going to be happening in next few days on the 31st day of May 2025. It is very essential that we start swapping, or rather exchanging our long time accumulated gem points into the real EFSANE token, which is frozen with the abbreviation, the crypto abbreviation EFS. So in this particular video, I'm going to be walking you all through step-by-step guide on how we can be able to swap this our gems right here to the main EFS tokens. Okay, so in this particular video, I'll just encourage us to stay tuned as we proceed and do the needful right here. All right, so let's just proceed without wasting much further of our time. So as we all know, this particular project is going to be giving out 10 pieces of the EFS tokens on 31st of May, which is next tomorrow probably. So, and that particular amount of token in equivalent will be worth $60, all right, according to their estimations. Though that is not the real value, because a coin that is not yet listed, you cannot expatiate the real value. So, but that is based on estimate by the team. Okay, so this is all you have to do once you are in your dashboard, and make sure you are claiming daily. Okay, for the old members, you have to make sure that you have 10 days claiming streak for you to be able to actualize the airdrop. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Just log into your project dashboard immediately, and for those that has not joined, we have few slotted time to join immediately after watching this video, and you will receive $10 worth of the frozen tokens as a welcome bonus. Okay, so we have limited time right here, so I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular project in the description section and comment section of this video. All you have to do is just get on board immediately and be among the people that are going to be receiving these goodies. All right, so now let's proceed. Once you're on your dashboard, just come to this single button over here, you tap on it, then you come to this particular one that says spot account. So you tap on the spot account and you guys will see the tokens right here. So in your own case, you may not see anything right here. This is how your dashboard is going to look. Okay, so this is the complete dashboard, and in total all my assets right here are $10 plus. Okay, and if you scroll up, you will see the breakdown, the amount of gems that I have right here, and the equivalent in dollars, then the amount of Shiba equivalent in dollars, Pepe equivalent in dollars also, then the 5 token that they shared for us, which is equal to $1 plus as at the time of recording this video. So all those things amount to everything you are seeing right here. So this is how to go about it. For you to be able to swap your token, any token at all, or to be able to swap these gems to the main frozen token, you just have to come to this flash swap right here. So this is a full-time exchange on its own, or let me say a full-time crypto platform on its own, because if you take a look right here, you can see you can do a lot of things. Once this project goes live, it is going to be a very big thing. You can deposit here, withdraw, transfer, and swap. Like, you can do a whole lot on this particular project. So it is a very great honor and a very good thing to make sure you participate in this project, so you will get their native token. And as we all know, native tokens tend to do very well at long run. Okay, so you come to flash swap right here, then you will see by default you have gems to the frozen, which is the gems point that we have to the frozen, which is the EFSANE native token, the name of their native token. Okay, so for you to swap your gems, just tap on these gems first of all to see everything you can do right here. So you can change any of the token, change gems, Shiba, Pepe, Fi, USDT, anyone you want to swap. Just make sure you choose it. So maybe we are swapping Shiba to USDT. You choose it and click on maximum, and you will see the amount of Shiba you have and the dollar equivalent right here. So now you go back and check Fi. This is Fi to USDT. Then tap on maximum and you see the equivalent to dollar as well. Okay, so but we are going to be swapping our gems, so let's come back to gems right here. All right, so all you have to do is just tap on maximum right here, so that all the gems you have will appear in the dashboard. I'll tap on maximum, then you guys will see that I have 62959 gems as at the time of recording this video, which equals 3.14 frozen token, which is the native token of the EFSANE project, or EFS, anyone. Okay, so this is it. Sorry guys, I'm not chatting them on WhatsApp. So this is the exchange rate. You can go down to see the breakdown and everything. Then this is the handling fee, just 1%. Then the purchase limit, this is the minimum and the maximum. Then the receiving amount, so this is the amount I'm going to be receiving. Okay, 3.116 after the gas fee, extraction and everything. So once you get everything like this, make sure that the gems is over here and frozen is right here. So if you click on this from gems to, you will see that you can only swap gems to frozen as at the time of recording this video. So there's nothing you can do apart from that, okay? So you just have to proceed and do the needful. So like I was saying, guys, sorry for the distraction along the line. So you can only swap gems right now to the frozen, which is the EFSANE native token, okay? So you just have to tap on gems to frozen, then you come back, all right? So just tap on confirm right here, as simple as that. Tap on confirm, then they say check out, you will pay so amount. Just scroll up a bit and tap on confirm again. All right, and you will see swap successful. Is as simple as that. So you just have to click on confirm again to confirm everything. So let's just confirm it, and you can see we've already done the needful. All right, so now it's for us to go back to our dashboard and see it. So let's just come back here to our home dashboard, come back to, okay, they are going to be erasing this balance right here. Okay, you guys can see that we don't really have any gems anymore. They have already swapped it. So let's go back to our spot account, click on it, then you guys will see that, all right, we don't really have any gems right here anymore. Our coin now is under frozen. Okay, so that's just that. So do well to make sure you swap all your gems before now. Let's say from now on or before 31st, make sure you swap your gems to the frozen tokens. Though we don't really know when the claiming or the signing is going to end, but just make sure you swap your gems to their native token, which is frozen, before the distribution date. Okay, so let's just keep our hands locked and wait for more updates. So thanks for watching. I'll get you guys updated when there is any latest updates, guys. So see you in our next video, and bye for now. Thank you for watching.